In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary font. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Display. Then scroll again to tap on Font Size and Style. Click on Font Style and tap on Download Fonts. Now you need to click on this tiny icon next to Rosemary one and wait for it to download. When it's ready, go back to the list in your settings and tap on Rosemary font to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!